Hello guys and welcome to volokinproject. It's Tony here, your favorite YouTuber. Today I'm gonna do a quick teardown slash disassembly of the newly released Nokia 3210. Now, if you're interested in the unboxing and review of this phone, well, I already have them on my channel, so feel free to watch that. However, today we're just gonna take this baby apart and see what is happening inside and how much they actually chipped out. Needless to say that my phone came scuffed over here out of the box, so if you want me to do durability test video, let me know in the comment section below, because after what I'm about to do now with the phone today, the warranty will be void pretty much, so there is no turning back, guys. Now, the back cover itself is quite cheap and flimsy, so I don't see why AliExpress wouldn't stock that at some point, to be honest with you. But let's have a look what is happening under the battery over here, guys. The battery is nice and big. Well, 1450 milliamp hours. Not too bad, not too bad. HMD global. Oi! That's what it says over here. So we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 screws in total to release the front plate and to see if any parts are replaceable. I've done a couple of those videos before, and actually Nokia have been pretty bad in terms of supplying spare parts for their phones. They're just not available. And by the way, if you're looking to buy very good screwdriver, show me Wiha. That is not an advertisement, guys. I didn't get paid for that. I did so much work. That's the recent damage that I've done working on my car with this screwdriver, but it still works like a charm and it's absolutely bulletproof, guys. So let me speed this video up. Alright, with the screws out of the way, let's see how easy it is to pop it off. Okay, that's pretty easy. You just slide your finger like that. That's why I left a little bit of, nails over here to be able to perform this test a little bit more efficiently. And now, what do we have, guys? Now, it's very interesting that actually the keyboard has a hole for the microphone over here. As you can see, this is the hole over here, and from what I can tell, water can quite easily get inside. There's a little mesh over here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a little tiny mesh over here which is not going to stop anything, to be honest with you. And let's see, this is the keyboard. Well, okay, nothing particularly interesting about the keyboard over here, but we have some stickers over here. I can imagine this is for the backlight. I'm not sure why are they black, but nevertheless, let's see how to disassemble the rest of the phone over here, guys. Right, let's see what do we have. Okay, the display popped out a little bit. Okay, so it's a built-in unit. You can't really replace it yourself. You need someone with good soldering skills if the display goes, so he can replace it for you. There is a small part over here. I'm really not sure what is that for. I can imagine for just insulation, so it doesn't get touched by the main board on the screen itself. It's a little QR code over here. I'm really curious if anything will show up, guys. So let me just pop out my other phone quickly and try to scan this QR code and see what happens. Okay, let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. It's a little bit tiny, this QR code, to be honest with you. It's a little bit tiny, so I'm not sure. Don't get too close. Okay, I'm not sure how exactly those applications are going to work, to be honest with you, but there we go, there we go. Let's do open, and what does it say? Dynamo LED video wall solutions. What is that? Dynamo LED display having all the forefront of the LED. Okay, that's weird. That's weird. It's okay, it's a link to another company which makes displays. Anyways, let's see what else do we have, guys. Let's open this baby and let's see what else. We have to get the main board out somehow. I'm not sure if anything is holding it, to be honest with you. Let me have a look over here, guys. Yeah, it's held by the plastic, just like so. You can just pry it off, and yeah, there we go. That's pretty much it. So that's the whole chassis of the phone. From what you can see over here, it's a little bit on the wonky side. And what do we have here? We have some contacts over here at the bottom. We have some more contacts over here at the top. But the thing is, I don't see any, proper dedicated antennas or anything like that, like on the older phones. I can imagine this is the antenna over here. Well, actually this should be the antenna, which is covered by this one over here. But guys, I mean, come on, that's for the flash. Check this out. Can you pop it off? Oops, it broke. Actually it broke. The plastic for the flash just broke trying to get it out, but nevertheless it doesn't affect anything. So what else can we see at the back over here, guys? This is the USB Type-C over here, which is kind of interesting. This is yet another contact, and yeah, we have a small flap over here protecting the USB Type-C port, which is kind of cool. And what else? Quite simplified, to be honest with you. Everything is happening over here. Don't forget that's a dumb phone, so it doesn't need the hardware and the Snapdragon chips to run, for example, KaiOS. This is the vibrator motor over here, very old school and very tiny vibrator motor over here, guys. This is the camera. This is the flex cable for the camera. It's not held very securely, to be honest with you, just a little bit of glue over here, and this is the camera. The 3.5mm jack, of course, it's over here, and this is the speaker. It's a kind of interesting choice that the speaker is over here, guys, and there's a little hole on the main board, leading to the speaker over here, but it doesn't really matter if it's loud enough. And what else we can see? Just the two ports over here, guys, for the SIM and for the micro SD, and pretty much that is it. Very simple design. This is the sticker over here if the phone gets wet, but pretty much nothing is user replaceable. If you have very limited soldering skills, maybe you can replace the vibrator motor over here, but to be honest with you, I seriously doubt it is going to go wrong anytime soon. So unfortunately there are no other moving parts in this phone which I can reference or anything like that. It's just the QR code for the screen. So unfortunately that is pretty much it, guys. I expected a little bit more. I expected to see something more interesting, but at least they don't have the antenna dangling like that, like on the previous model that I reviewed recently, guys. Have a look at my videos, of course. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do a durability test on this phone, and I'll gladly do, because, well, I don't particularly like this phone and it already came scuffed, so I have no problem sacrificing it for the science, let's put it this way. But yeah, as a Nokia fan, I'm quite disappointed that things are going this way, but nevertheless, as we say over here in Britain, it is what it is. You just have to deal with it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and subscribe to Volokin Project. See ya later.